We're gonna start this project with a large brush. After dipping your brush in water, you can dip it in light green paint and cover the whole artwork. Next, we'll switch to a medium-sized brush and brown paint. We'll paint a branch for Chameleon to sit on. Part of the branch closer to the side of the artwork will be a little bit thicker than the tip of the branch. Next, we'll add a smaller branch on a side. We'll switch to a smaller brush for next steps. We'll use water and a little bit of green paint to create outline for an oval above the branch. Next, we'll paint a triangle in front of the oval. Now, starting from the back of the chameleon, you'll create a half circle overlapping the branch. Now you can paint the other side of the tail. Next, we'll add a spiral starting from the tip of the tail. Next, you can create outline of a circle on top of chameleon's head. You can switch to a medium-sized brush to fill in the rest of the triangle. Now we'll add a straight line starting from the bottom of the triangle. Next, we'll start adding green lines to chameleon's body and tail. Using the same brush and same paint, we'll create a couple leaves on the tip of the branch. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in blue paint and add more lines. You can wash your brush, wipe it with paper towel, and use it to create more purple lines. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in orange to outline and paint in circle. Next, you can add more lines using orange paint. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in yellow paint and add yellow lines. We'll switch to smallest brush to add all colors to the smallest part of the tail. Don't forget to wipe your brush between each color. We'll switch to dark green to add details to the leaves. We'll start by adding a long straight line and then we'll add shorter lines on both sides. Now we'll repeat the same steps on the other leaves. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in white paint and create an almond shape inside of orange circle. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in red paint and create a large half circle coming from Chameleon's mouth. Next, we'll add a small spiral on the tip of the tongue. Next, we'll switch to a medium-sized brush and dark green paint. We'll start by adding 2 legs overlapping Chameleon's body and touching the branch. Now you can add 2 smaller legs next to the first 2. We'll switch to a smaller brush and black paint to add small oval above the tongue. We'll keep using black paint to add small black line on top of white part of an eye. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in white paint. We'll paint 2 round wings for the fly. We can highlight Chameleon's eye by adding 1 or 2 small white dots. Our final step is to sign your name in the corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe.